Damps.
So I just want to make this video because I do think it's important to have honest friends that will tell you the truth about your hair, because a lot of people will not tell you the truth about your hair. This video I actually found absolutely hilarious, so I want to watch it with you guys and then show you what you can do afterwards, because a lot of people will throw in the towel too early. But if you got a lot of growth on the side, we can work with that and we can make amazing things happen. Like my client right here, but we'll get to that shortly. I want you to watch this video with me first, and then we'll move on and look at options.
Damps.
Right? So I don't even know how long it is. I think it's a minute, but it's absolutely hilarious. Let's pull it up right now.
It's all out of jackfruit.
Ludo, please have a seat. Remove the cap.
God damn.
It's chilly, ain't it?
Well, Ludo, this is an intervention, man.
What?
It's time to let your locks go, dog.
What you talking about, man? People love my locks. Every time they see me, they be like, hey, Bluto, I don't know how you do it.
You'll have time to respond later. But for right now, let us talk. We've all written very carefully prepared messages, man, that we want to give to you, bro. Statements from the heart.
What y'all doing, man? I look like Stevie Wonder.
It's ironic that you say that because you can't see the truth. Delonte, you got anything you want to say, bro? Take your time.
Bruh, is you serious?
Y'all don't understand, man. These are my locks. It's me. Y'all want me to cut my antennas to the universe and or God? But Jesus Christ had dreads, so shake them.
No, cut that out,
Ludo,
man. Stop, man.
Shake them.
Ludo.
So shake them.
Shake him one more time.
I look like Lil Wayne?
No, you don't.
It's an ambush, man. I ain't got to stay around for this. I'm out.
Ludo, you cannot.
I mean, I feel like that is a very common situation in terms of just holding on too long to your hair. And let me tell you guys something, there are options. Let's talk about the common problem. The common problem isn't that you're losing your hair. For most people, it's the hairstyle that is the most challenging part. Bald, what you saw with this guy in the video, that is a choice of style. It comes down to choosing the right style. And choosing the right style means using the right products. And this isn't about a growth, this isn't about a surgery. This is just a very simple self-care treatment that you can do for yourself to change and transform your image. So I just want to walk you guys through just what goes into the process of customizing a hair unit for you. And once we've selected a style and already assessed everything with your hair, and I'm just going to walk you through it. But again, just always don't stress over the fact that you're losing your hair. There's not much you can do, especially if it's androgenic alopecia, which is male pattern baldness. It is very difficult. I mean, you could try all the microneedling, you could try all the minoxidil, the products. You could even try a hair transplant, you know? But ultimately, what are you going for these treatments? What are these treatments for? And it's to enhance your style. And when it comes down to style, you're not gonna get a more complete style than something like this. I mean, this is completely customized and exactly what you want. This has nothing to do with hair growing out of your head. This is like putting on that fancy garment that you've always wanted. That big chain, that nice watch, driving that nice car. This is the luxury side of fashion. And for you to go from this to this, there's no other way to do it. All right, even when you had hair, how you treated it is a reflection of like how much you cared about it, you know. And now at a point where you're losing your hair, it becomes more style, a focus on style, because you realize, okay, without it, I don't look the same or I don't feel the same. Choose a style, you know what I mean? We're not in the game to just go and get your hair cut shorter and then have it grow back and then cut it shorter. We're in the game to choose a style. And that's what we do specifically, is we customize hair pieces for men. I could take his exact silhouette and create a hair unit that will match his dreads, the thickness of them, the amount of space in between them, the color, the texture. I can match all of that. And I'm just gonna show you right here. We're just gonna pull up a video right here. The creative process that goes on before we actually do anything, stick any hair to anybody's head, cut their hair, anything like that. So we have to go and choose the right type of hair for a client. So right now, we have a client who wants dreadlocks, all right? We're gonna attach his dreadlocks. We have a package here with dreadlocks. And right now we're just going through the process of matching his hair to one of these units, all right? So here's the first one. This wave is a slightly bit looser. You have to kind of be able to differentiate between the two. The other thing about these units as well is they're not super duper thick like most units. Most units are extremely thick. We want to be able to see some scalp with the parting lines of the dreadlocks. Yeah, these are our two options. Like, what do you guys think? So again, if you need any hair, if you want an appointment, all this, before we do any of this, we need a consultation. So to book a consultation with Damps, you need to hit the link in the description, book a time, we're gonna get on the call, we're gonna ask you to send us some pictures of your hair. Because if we can't see your hair, we can't match the hair textures. And you're gonna have to send us pictures of the front, the sides, and the back of your head. So we can look at the texture, see the growth patterns, so that we can create something custom or customize something for your exact needs. Like, our goal is really more so to make the buying experience easier, because we see so many people with units that just don't match, you know, and that's kind of giving the whole game a bad look. Anyways, here, so we're gonna look at the dreadlocks right now. So we got pretty much, you can see we have a bunch of these. So we're gonna attach those. We're gonna dread this up, make them thin like this, and yeah, there'll be extensions added onto the unit. And this should be pretty nice though. There's some brown in here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but we got a bunch of these. And yeah, and here's another thing, guys. So he actually sent us his template. So again, when you want something done custom, guys, it does help when you can get on a consultation call with us, book a consultation call with us. But you see, we have a template. We'll send you the video on how to make a template. And you just make a template of your head, of the areas that you want covered with the hair unit. And we're gonna take this and we're gonna customize the unit to this, exactly. This is what we're going for. This is what we're working with. One of these is gonna be dreaded. What do you guys think about these though? Would you wear them like this? Just like this? This is the piece we got, sizing. This is what's left. This is gonna be dreadlocked. Right now it's probably at like 6 inches, so with the dreads it'll probably shrink down to 3 inches around, and then we're gonna add the extensions. You guys wanna see what luxury looks like? Luxury is, and it doesn't get more real or nicer than this. You guys are about to see the magic I'm about to do. It's about to be crazy. And yeah, this came out really, 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 really clean. Really clean, all human hair. There's no synthetic hair in here. This is all human hair. Some people wear hats, other people wear hair. You know, this is the luxury side of the game. You know what I mean? This is the luxury side. When you can take a bald head and style it. That's what we do. We style the styles that barbers and hairstylists don't want to work with. And we work with those people. And you know what? They're models too. They are models too. So let me just get you guys a close up. Let's look at the scalp quick. So when this is the base, when this is on the skin, look at that, baby. That is absolutely amazing. I'll put my finger right through it. It looks amazing. Full scalp transparency, very breathable material, so he'll be able to work out, do whatever he wants with it. It won't get too hot. And yeah, I want to let them out for you guys, but to apply it, it's going to be a lot easier like this. So I'll only let it out after it's applied. But yeah, as you can see, I mean, this is a work of art, an absolute work of art. what you see is, that's what we do. That's what we do. And we take you from 0, we bring you back to 100, and probably even beyond that, because you can get looks now that you could have never imagined before. And working with this client right here, we even kind of customized it a little more even, gave him a little undercut with the dreadlocks. And yeah, when you, like, yeah, he can shake them. He can shake them, no problem. Check it out. If you want to book an appointment with Damps, hit the link in the description. It will require a consultation call first, and through that consultation call, you can either get a real actual appointment at our studio with us, or we can ship everything out to you customized for your exact needs and your exact application. Hit the link in the description. See you soon.
Damps. Damps.